Jesus, with his parables, got 31% of the world population, that is approximately 2.4 billion people, to follow Christianity. 1.2 billion people swear by the Ramayana and Mahabharata, written by Valmiki and Vedavyasa. If it is parables for 2.3 billion people, it is historical mythological stories for 1.2 billion Hindus. Friends, you will definitely agree with me that stories are your weapons for mass transformation. Do you want to transform the world? Do you want to impact lives? Do you want to lead from the front? If your answer is yes to any of these three questions, what you need to do is very simple. Connect with people in an impactful way, which cognitive scientists called neurocoupling. In a 2010 paper published in the Journal of Neuroscience, Princeton University researcher Yuri Hansen delivered the results of a profoundly important study. Hansen had discovered that speaker-listener neurocoupling is widespread and extensive. What does it really mean? It means when you are telling a story, the brains of both the speaker and the listener show distinctive patterns of activity in the same areas. The two people were engaging in what the scientists call neurocoupling, which meant the two minds had melded into one. Is there any instance in recorded history of such a thing having happened? Friends, in 1940, Britain had almost resigned itself to surrender to Nazi Germany. But then between May 3rd and June 18th, Winston Churchill gave 3 speeches which turned the tide and turned upside down World War II and led to the defeat of Germany. He did this through the storyteller's gift. Churchill radically altered the destiny of an entire civilization with his speeches. Did you know that Winston Churchill had a speech impediment? He used to stutter. He was not a born storyteller. He was not born with that gift. But having decided on politics as his profession, he had to learn how to tell story. If Churchill can tell stories and turn a world war upside down, you too, who is a good storyteller, become a great storyteller. After all, there is an entire post-pandemic world waiting to be impacted. You too can cause that transformation. Come, join my workshop on the 27th of June, titled The Anatomy of Storytelling, the Design Thinking Way. It's a pay what you want workshop for 4 hours. It will start at 11 a.m. in the morning and go on till 1 p.m. in the afternoon. Thereafter, it will re-begin at 3 p.m. in the afternoon and go on till 5. Here, we will be discussing the anatomy of storytelling and together write stories which can impact the world. I look forward to meeting you on the 27th. Don't forget, friends, 27th of June at 11 a.m. You have an appointment with me. Thank you.